In this video, I'm going to be doing a standard tune-up on this Kohler 14-horse engine. It's the K321. I've got a tune-up kit from iSave Tractors, which has the coil, condenser, spark plug wire, spark plug, and points. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the air cleaner just to give me a little more room to work. I'm going to go ahead and remove the coil, and you have your positive and negative lead right here. And you have a bolt behind this strap right here holding this coil on, and then I'll simply lift the coil up and out of the way. Once your coil strap is loose here in the back, you can simply lift your coil up and out of the way. And now we're going to go ahead and remove the condenser. The condenser is just held on by the 7/16 bolt, so you just loosen that up and your condenser will come right out. Now that all your old stuff's out of the way, you can go ahead and reinstall your coil. If it came with a new bracket, go ahead and reuse that. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten these screws down and then reconnect the condenser. Once your coil and condenser is completely tightened down, go ahead and attach your negative lead and your condenser lead, and then go ahead and screw those down. Then go ahead and tighten up your positive lead. Then go ahead and remove your spark plug wire and remove the spark plug. Just take a look at it, see what kind of combustion you're getting, and then we'll go ahead and gap the new one. You gapped your spark plug. This particular one is a H10C. Now this is a 1973 Kohler engine. We'll go ahead and tighten down the spark plug. So in this particular kit, they give you about 18 inches of spark plug wire, and you just make your own. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the coil side first, and over to the spark plug. And right there, we're looking at the points. Now, if you're trying to find your points on your tractor, that's the cover. It's just going to be a plain black cover about 2 inches long, 1 inch wide. It's right underneath the governor arm. So you'll take the 2 screws out to remove the cap, and then you have 2 screws top and bottom to remove the points. Now before you install your new points, you're going to want to clean the contacts. In between those 2 contacts right there, you can use like brake cleaner. I'm going to use some carb cleaner to spray it in there, and then I'm just going to take some old timers will just take a $1 bill and kind of wipe it in between there. A piece of paper or an envelope will work just as well, but you want to clean these before you install. Once you have your new points reinstalled, you need to set the gap of the points. Easiest way to do that, remove your spark plug. You can rotate your engine by one of the crankshaft pulleys until you see the points open up to their widest gap. Now the points gap on a Kohler 321 14-horse engine is 20 thousandths of an inch. And you need a set of feeler gauges that look like this to go down in between the gap. So right now the gap is way over. So you see that screw right there? You can go ahead and stick your feeler gauge in there, loosen the screw, and that's going to spring down and close up over this feeler gauge. Tighten your screw and remove the feeler gauge. That should set it to 20 thousandths. As you can see, the gap right there in the points is set to 20 thousandths. Now I'll go ahead and put my points cover back on. Congratulations on doing your own tune-up. This is the website I bought the kit from, iSaveTractors.com. Seems like all the parts fit pretty well. They all seem pretty good quality. And the tractor runs great. Thanks for watching.